Normally we'd drive our Mini to Germany and put it on our stand at Tex Process, but since we really do care about the environment, we decided this year we should have a virtual exhibition. Welcome to MMS. Hi, I'm Mason Small. Back in 1997 I invented the very first automatic button wrapping machine. Since then we have gained vast experience and developed a strong worldwide network to ensure we remain leaders in button security. The last few years have been strange for all of us, but here at MMS we certainly have not been idle. We've spent the time developing and perfecting our range of button fuse, button securing machinery, which really are a culmination of 30 years in the button securing world. Whilst the perfection of our machines is always our number one aim, we realise the importance of an effective online presence. We've worked extremely hard to ensure that you can easily find all the information you need about our products, our worldwide distribution and our after-sales service. We've also been working on machine interaction with the development of our MMS app. This allows you to quickly and easily connect to your button fuse machine, which gives you access to a wide range of features, making the machines really user-friendly. Here at MMS, we realise the importance of the environment. We've been working really hard to reach our goal of being net zero by 2025. Our latest button fuse thread is manufactured from various recycled components. In order to further reduce any plastic waste, we spool it on a paper cone and wrap it in a paper sleeve. We aim to offset our carbon footprint further with our tree planting scheme. All our staff regularly visit our MMS forestry sites. Our aim by the end of this year is to reach 2,000 trees. So far we have 1,000 healthy saplings planted. Since all of our development and manufacturing takes place here in Leeds, we've always been able to make the finest and most efficient button wrapping machines, with absolutely no compromise on quality. We have developed and fine-tuned our latest line of button fuse button wrapping machines, so they are the most user-friendly, fastest and reliable button wrapping machines ever produced, with our latest revolver pushing the boundaries of production capabilities. Okay, let's have a brief look at our machines. If you'd like more detailed information, just have a look on the website mmsuk.com or click the links over the videos. Here's a button fuse Mini. Semi-automatic machine, perfect for sample rooms or small production. Very simple and easy to operate. Operator just simply inserts the button into the machine, wraps it, offers it to the heating fork, and there you go, perfectly wrapped shank. Now we go on to the automatic machines. Here's the Solo S. So the Solo S is really a state-of-the-art machine, extremely fast, 100% reliable, easy to operate. Automatic threading, which I'll show you. There you go, that's threaded up. Now so simple to use. You just take the button, insert it in, done. Perfectly wrapped shank every time. Okay, Solo T. So Solo T is very similar to the Solo S, except that it has the capability for long shanks and shank buttons. So simply select the program you like. This is long shank. I'll take an extreme version of a long shank. This would be, say, a raincoat button or a leather jacket button, something like that. The machine has a nest inside which will hold the button whilst wrapping behind and up and down the length of the shank. Insert it in there, and there you go. Fairly extreme as you can see, but you can bulk it up by adding more wraps, etc. Lovely result there. Change it to shank button. Shank button, this is a shank button, blazer type button, floppy, loose. Simply put it in the machine. And there you go. It's perfect. Now sturdy, never come off. Now to the latest in the range. This is a revolver. So these machines, as you've seen, button in, button out, next one in, out, work perfectly well and efficiently. But the next generation really, especially for shirts and something where you want to continue the throughput through the machine for slightly more efficiency, this is a revolver, and I'll show you how it works. There you go, all perfectly wrapped. We have a dedicated and experienced team, both here in the UK and in our service centres around the world to ensure you can easily source our button fuse thread in any of the 72 shades we have available. Also access any help or assistance you may need to ensure perfect button security on your garments.
Hi, I'm Simon Firth, one of your contacts here at MMS UK. For any machines, thread, parts, inquiries, please feel free to get in touch.
Hi, I'm Papon, the manager for MMS UK in Bangladesh. MMS UK is the innovators of button fuse technology since 1994. Bangladesh is one of the biggest market for MMS UK. More than 1,000 plus machines now running in different factories in Bangladesh. We usually open our office in Dhaka, where we can supply all kinds of button wrapping machine, button attaching and thread. We have our own technical person in Dhaka, so if you need any technical support or service or any kind of information, please contact us. Thank you.